All right, everyone, welcome to yet another edition of the Hall of Healers interview. And today we have with me and with us the solution architect, Mr. Narendra. So Narendra started working with Self Healers Hub and the one-to-one coaching, and he has been able to produce some massive breakthroughs in his gut emotion and mindset. And today, let's dive deep into Narendra's journey of transformation in health. Narendra, congratulations for taking that choice and making that choice for your health and getting massive breakthroughs. And welcome to the Hall of Healers.
Thank you, Sachin. Thank you so much. I am really honored to give you interview with you. It
Great.
is really great.
Narendra, really, the honor is all mine, Narendra, because you are someone who have taken the consistent actions and you have just surrendered to the process and made sure that you turn up on time every week for your calls, and you taken the notes diligently and put them into action, and you are seeing results. So let's dive really deep into your journey of transformation with your health. Okay. So Narendra, I want to ask you, before you came into Self Healers Hub coaching, the one-to-one coaching, the Sattvic membership, what were your challenges you were facing, Narendra?
Uh, s- there were so many challenges I was facing. See, the first thing was I was facing challenges with in terms of money. I'll start with the journey how I got interacted with you. So I just wanted to introduce that as well. So started facing issues with the money and a lot of stress because of the money and all. And the other way that is also impacting my health. So I got introduced to Sandeep, who introduced me to you. And yeah, I attended his money wealth management sessions. I somehow settled in the terms of wealth management. Then I started thinking about my health. So since my childhood, I never have some going exercise and all those things. I'm not a very good sporty guy also to play the sports and all. So it is like going the way the life is going on. So I never took any step for my health. So it happened earlier to going during the college days and all, to build the muscle and all, joined the gym for 1 week 10 days and then left that. Like that it happened some multiple times. But see, for the last 5 to 6 years I am able to see some massive changes in my health, which I was really worried, like gaining weight and not concentrating on the things I am working, and not you know and before till 1 year, for the last I mean out of 5 years, 4 years I was completely busy with my work. So that's where I couldn't think much about my health. So because I used to work day and night and all, for last 1 year I got little bit relief from my work, and I started thinking about my health, and I started looking at my weight and all. So I felt, and people also started saying, hey, you are looking like very fat and all, something like that. Then it started hitting me little bit, but I have not taken any massive transformation steps at that time. But all of a sudden I was thinking, like, how many days I will go like this. And
Okay.
that has really triggered me. Then thought about the people who was not very health conscious now, what kind of situations they were facing, and
Mm.
how that really triggered one of my Chikama, I'll say, my aunt.
Mm.
She,
Okay.
though I mean, she suffered with the cancer that is unavoidable in people's life if it comes. So the kids, my brothers, my aunt, children, they used to take them to hospital and bringing back to her, changing her, all these things. After seeing that one, I understand like how much wealth is very much important in everyone's life. Then it triggered
Wow.
me, and I really got one intention in my life. I do not want my kids to suffer because of my ill health. That is only thing triggered me. That is the ambition I kept in me. And
Mm.
somehow during my journey with the Sandeep, I got introduced to you. and we had a general, introduction call kind of thing. That time also I didn't take the step immediately. So
Yes.
I felt, am I really capable enough to take this step? So I wanted to test myself, and I did few things myself, and then I thought confidence, yes, now I can do this, now I can go have a journey with you, because it's an investment with you, right?
Mm.
So I wanted to see myself if I'm willing to do this investment, if I get the right thing. Then I
Mm.
had a discussion with you after 1 month of joining, having your introduction course. I joined after 1 month, and then it turns so many things, and I was not knowing what to eat, what not to eat, and how to wake, how we can, do the habits, initiation into our life. Those kind
Mm.
of things, I just wanted to learn from you, and that's where we
Nice.
started our journey. And now you can see the result from that time to this time, how much it has transferred
Yes.
my life. Yeah.
Exactly, Narendra. Let's little dive deep into the results. So what I got two major things. One is, that trigger, the intention which we discovered in our call together about, you not wanting your kids and family to suffer. That's a very powerful intention which you set to yourself. And second is, you realize that health is really important for yourself. Through your heart you realize, not in your head. Many people know this, but you started taking action and you started seeing results, and immediately, you came in and took that action step to get coached and get move forward with me. Okay, so that's great, Narendra. So let's look at what are the major breakthroughs you have had in your health in this journey, which is going to be ever continuing with both for both of us. So what are the major breakthroughs you have had till now in your health after joining this coaching?
See, the first thing is habit, adapting to a habit. That
Got
is the first thing I can say, which I used to go for walk earlier also, but not continuously. If I go
Mhm.
for 1 week, then I left it for 6 to 7 months, and again 1 week, something like that. But
Got that.
after joining this session,
Mhm.
I was able to do. And if I started feeling, if I don't go walk for a day, then I missing something in my day, like it is like missing a day meal,
Wow,
missing like a
that's so
midday meal,
powerful.
something like that.
That's
Yeah,
so
so that thing I got into, that is the first thing. The
Mhm.
second thing is meditation, and meditation is the another breakthrough for me. I started
Mhm.
meditating daily, at
Mhm.
least for
Awesome.
15 minutes,
Awesome,
at least
Narendra.
for 15 minutes. Yeah. And
Mhm.
that is giving me more peace, and mental stabilization. And also I started learning how, what to eat, what not to eat, like, yeah, 80% and 20% empty stomach,
Yes.
and having early dinner. Okay,
Mhm.
early dinner to have the good health, and early sleep, early bed,
Yes.
and avoiding how we can, get how we can avoid the distraction from the social media, mobile phones, and all,
Mhm. Yeah.
how we can use them efficiently. That's
Got
what I can say. And like earlier, I used to feel, even if I get small chest pain because of, gastric and all, I used to worry a lot. But
Mhm.
I'm observing last 3 months, the day I started my journey, when I started taking the actions, I
Mhm.
never feel any such kind of worries, or
Mhm.
anything which is, suffering my body. I didn't feel anything something like that, other than
Wow.
the things like, if I do more walking and all, some little pain in the legs and all, that is the only thing. Other than that, mentally, and even if you feel small thing, right, it impacts your mental, stability also. Like, something
Got
is
that.
happened to my body, something is happening, so I don't know what will happen. I may get heart attack, I may get something like that. So those kind of fears I was having,
Mm.
so those are all completely removed now. So that is
Wow.
another major,
Mm.
breakthrough with this session. Yeah.
That's massive, Narendra. Really, that's so massive. You having the confidence to live life and not worrying.
Yeah.
Really not worrying,
Not
and
worrying.
really
Yes.
enjoying the wealth, enjoying the work. But just wow. I mean, just that's a wow, man. That's so wow, Narendra. You see, the moment you take action, right, you're getting so much confidence in you. Now you're not worried. Worry is not there. Confidence is there. And now you're taking care of your health, and as you said, more walking, Ati Amrutam Visham. So doing that, okay, that's fine. And you're doing walking, you're doing meditation, you were doing. And tell me one thing, Narendra, was these very difficult changes to do for you, or you are easily able to do this in your lifestyle, along with your busy lifestyle? You're able to do this or not easily?
now I'm able to do it easily. Yes,
Now
after after getting coached by you, so
yes.
it is yes.
So in essence, it's always able to do until you make up your mind.
Yes.
Is it not? So always, that's all we are telling ourselves. Oh, I can't do, I'm busy in work, this. But see, so you actually leaving all that excuses aside and you starting to do, see the magic, right?
Yes.
Right. Amazing, amazing, Narendra. So many breakthroughs you have got for. And Narendra, tell me one thing, what really motivated you to start getting coached by me, and really what do you love about this coaching,
See,
Narendra?
the things which you are, the first thing attracted me in your this thing is everything within our kitchen. We have to able to manage whether you feel ill or you feel, this thing. You are not giving any medicine, or you are not giving any allopathy or homeopathic medicine, or you are not suggesting anything. It is like by changing your kitchen, by changing the ingredients in your kitchen, you can make your health. That is the only thing which I attracted in our discussion, and that is only the thing which is motivated me to associated with you. It is like
Got it.
Ayurvedic thing instead of going to the modern these things.
Got it.
Yes.
Got it. Great. So what made you, go work with me is like understanding to work on the root cause and
Exactly.
work on the kitchen and, change the ingredients there and, just changing the habits. And that's what really matters for long-term health. And modern medicine, homeopathy and all is required when it's required.
Right.
But this is the, which the major chunk which many are ignoring, and you have started and, really broken through in this area. And now you're seeing magic, and this will continue. Let me tell you that, okay, this is just the beginning for you. When you start taking more and more actions, you will see that you're breaking through in many areas of your, even all the other areas of your life as well. So this is so great. Okay, so I really thank you for this. So, and then Narendra, I want to ask you, right, what would you say to people who feel that there is too much, it's very costly, or it's very expensive, I don't have time? What is the one word you want to say to people who want to work with me, or they want to really start working on their health, but I have all these excuses inside them? So of course you would have also had that. So what made you break through all of them, Narendra?
To be honest, Sachin, after paying my fee, I didn't bother about that whether I am paying it high or low. To
Yeah.
be honest, I
Yeah.
forgot it completely. So I'm
Awesome.
just I was just looking what you are teaching and what I am following. That is the only thing is in my mind, and I never
Awesome.
thought it is expensive or it is high priced or anything. To be honest, but the material you are providing, the breakthroughs which I got, which are more costlier than what I paid. That what I
Ah,
can say today. Yes,
yes,
there
Narendra.
is so much material which you can on your website, and there are so many YouTube videos which you have provided how we can do get rid of the things one by one, and
Mm.
how you can get habituated the things one by one. Those are very excellent material which I can say that is more than enough for this which I paid. Addition to
Awesome.
that, whatever the inner circle calls and leaders calls, and this one-to-one is a bonus for me. That's what I feel, to be honest.
Great, great, Narendra Garu. Great. So that's what the beauty is, the structure of the Q&A support, and then you getting all the material what you require to actually for all areas of your life and health for life. This content is always enough, and the one-to-one. So you're saying you got more value than you invested for. That's so awesome, Narendra.
Right.
And what is that one principle, Narendra, if you are to give all the persons who are watching to take care of their health? What is that one principle which make you always motivated, and it will also motivate others? So if you want to give that one principle.
See, first one is to have the intention why you wanted to work on your health.
Got
That
it.
is only one thing you have to keep it in your mind, and if you keep chanting that particular intention, then things will be in your way.
Awesome.
Very
So then the
simple.
intention.
Simple. Yes,
Yeah, you're saying
very yes, intention.
intention. So intention is everything, is what Narendra says. Is that
Exactly.
one message he wants to give? Having that intention fuels motivation, inspires breakthrough, and inspires action.
My only intention is I do not want my kid and my family suffer because of my ill healthy habits. So that is the only
Wow.
thing. So that is the only intention, making
I
me to
feel
move successfully with respect to the health and all. So that kind of intention, if you have, you can do the things and it will transform you massively.
yes, Narendra, and it has. You're not just giving a
Yes.
concept, it has in 3 months for you. Right? You would have tried so many, you told in the starting of the interview, 1 week I did, didn't do for 6, 7 months. Then in 3 months, you have been so consistent, and now you feel like, if I don't do physical movement or activity, something is missing. You're
Yes.
missing that energy and positiveness. Amazing. And that happened because you took action, right? Amazing, Narendra. And if you really want to really start working with me, right, there is a link below in the description of this video. Go ahead and start your journey. Book a call with me, and let's work, have a chat and see if we can work together and if I can help you a breakthrough in your health. All right. So Narendra, welcome to the Hall of Healers, and your journey has just begun. Awesome, awesome. All right, and thank you for giving your time for this interview. And until we meet again, guys, be healthy, be happy, and be unique. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.
Thank you,
So,
Sachin. Thanks.
yes, thanks, Narendra.